This might be my favorite product in my gym bag. It's creatine, but creatine with a twist. And it's also creatine that brought its buddies along for the ride. This is CreaSmash from Apollon Nutrition. It's over 5 grams of total creatine from a 2-creatine source. Creatine monohydrate, old reliable, the one that everyone tells you should be taking. And this is the underrated part, creatine nitrate, 3 grams. I'll save you the math. Creatine nitrate is a 33.3 repeating percent yield, which is give you a gram of nitrates. That's the deep end of the pool for the dose that we know is performance enhancing in a very particular way. Everyone talks about nitrates for pumps, and of course they do that. But the part that nobody talks about is nitrates are a top 5 supplement for work output and endurance, particularly if you're an athlete that needs to repeat those bouts of effort over time. A mixed sports athlete, a cyclist, a runner, a rower, a high rocks or CrossFit athlete. All these types of populations are going to benefit from nitrate supplementation. And no, beetroots are not enough. They're often not standardized or they don't have enough nitrates per serving. But the kicker that seals the deal for me and why I have it so highly rated is there's a new ingredient in here called CreaSol SSAT. And that's referring to tyrosol, which is structurally related to salicylate from Rhodiola rosea. There's emerging research on tyrosol, and particularly tyrosol co-administered with creatine, which is what we have here, that shows that tyrosol prevents ATP reduction in stressed muscle cells, which allows you to maintain your work output across sets. A recent study showed a 5x increase in training volume. But remember, that sits on top of the benefits you're already getting from the creatine and the nitrates. We're not going to take a huge detour, but I suck at remembering to take beta-alanine and betaine, and they're both in here too. Instead of just another creatine supplement, this is a 5-layer performance cake that actually works better the more demanding your exercise is. The harder you train, the more it benefits you. It's unflavored, there's 0 added ingredients, no binders, fillers, flavors, excipients, none of that. Drop it into any other beverage that you take in and around your workout and you're good to go. I like supplements that make my life easier. This checks like 5 boxes for me and it actually makes a difference in my workouts.